Come join in on the fun and grab your glue gun. It's the Preppy Crafty Girl Show.
Hey everyone, it's Jonna, the Preppy Crafty Girl, and I am here. I decided I was going to turn the camera on because I wanted to show you what I collected from the Dollar Tree for my dangle for my journal, and I thought I'd show you what I picked up. Probably won't sit here and make the journal in front of you, but I wanted to let you know what is going to go into my tassel dangle for my journal. I'm taking part in the Junk Journal, Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge with Jessica at Paper Terrace. I will link her information below. Go check it out. There's so many makers that are joining in on this fun collaboration. And I decided to take on the challenge because, one, I found some things there that kind of go with my aesthetic and kind of go with what I'm working on right now. And also because it just challenges me creatively. And sometimes it's fun to work with items that you normally wouldn't work with because you get some inspiration. And yeah, super excited about the whole project. So I'm going to show you kind of some of the things that I collected. I did show you in a video. I did a video walkthrough of the Dollar Tree. And this is kind of what I picked up. There were these whistles over in the party section. So I got one of those. I also got one of the where you put the quarters in, the gumball machines, but then they give you little trinkets. So I got the smiley face with the tongue hanging out trinkets. I'm going to put that on there. I bought a couple packs of beads. There were pink, red, and yellow. And then there were some shaped beads. And this was a wooden like bead dangly thing that you'd put on for decor. So I took that apart and used the wooden beads. There were some bingo markers and some pom-poms. I bought a keychain there, I guess, or a bag charm, and it had the plastic thing on the end of it. So I took that off and I'm doing my dangle on there. I also bought some air dry clay because I thought I'd make my own trinket charms out of that. Then I picked up, this was an air freshener that was over where the car stuff is. I just thought the little tiny cassette was cute. I took it apart and that is now not scented. And I'm going to put it on my dangle. And then I found these little building circles just because they're in the right colors. And I thought I would use those. I also found some of these wild creatures. Normally I don't pick these up, but I thought because they had gold and silver, they were perfect for my challenge. So I did get a pack of those. I also got a pack of the keychain things, but because I already have a bigger item, I'm not going to use these, I don't think. So I'm going to set those aside. I did find in the 4th of July thing a bunch of bubbles, and this just goes with my project that I'm working on. So I picked up a set of those. They make great dangles. I take the liquid out and I put in glitter. So that's just a little hint of how you can use those, and you get a bunch of them or you can just sit and use the bubbles and then fill them. Wash them and fill them. So anyway, I got those. I got a lanyard just because I wanted the happy face beads, and then I'll use these small wooden beads on another project. And then it had this little thing I could have used as the holder along with this, but I didn't. So I wanted a colored one instead. And that, my friends, is what I got. That's my big giant haul. Took all of 4 minutes. So again, I hope you're joining in. I hope you are joining in with Jessica's Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge, and I love seeing what's out there. If you would leave a comment in the comment section saying you're joining in, I'll go check out your videos. Plus, I know Jessica has put together a playlist, so go check that out so you can see what you can find. And I find it very interesting to see what some people can find at their Dollar Trees, but they're not at my Dollar Tree. It's very interesting to see what's going on across the United States with all the inventory that Dollar Trees get. So I will see you soon. Bye, guys.
With glue sticks and golden scissors in her hand. But most of all, she's happy when she's crafting with her friends.